Welcome to LCSIGN.
When you started doing the Tony accent, how did that come about?
First of all, we just talk about the products. I found this accent could be fun because I saw that on the comedian show. They use accents, very funny. I'm thinking like, yeah, I can try accents.
Who do you get inspired by?
A lot of people actually. Most impressive to me is Russell Peters. And then there's Tim Jeffries. And then there's Jimmy O Yang.
How do you get started doing signs?
I want to start a job in the foreign trade business because I like to communicate in English. It's kind of my specialty and my hobby.
Many people don't know what position are you at LCSIGN.
I'm like the CMO now, Chief Marketing.
Now we're touring the LCSIGN factory.
We're now going to our finished product facility. This place started only this year. So up here, the second floor. Now it is resting time. Everybody go for lunch.
That's huge. I wanted to know more about your social media journey.
We had two growth. The first growth is when we started to use accents. The second growth is when we start to stitch videos.
That's what really propelled you from 30k to 1 million.
Yeah. This place is the assemble workshop. We assemble the signs and we do quality checking. We do the packaging here and they go through this elevator downstairs and go to UPS, FedEx, DHL.
How big, how small can it get?
Small could be 1 centimeter small. Big could be 2 meters or 6 meters. You can all do it.
Before this, it was just the backlit posters, right?
Yeah. One of the main products, the ultra slim light box. We scaled it into all different kinds of products, all kinds of LED letters with acrylic, stainless steel, face lit, backlit, side lit, or full body, all kinds of letters. We have the neon signs, infinity letters, track LED letters.
What was the decision that led you to scaling into different products?
Number one is we're looking for the popular signs around the world. There will be custom orders and then we'll add it into our manufacturing. Secondly is we also develop products every month.
How long have you been in the company?
Close to 4 years now.
How much has it grown after you started the social media thing?
Close to 10%, I think, in total.
10% is a lot of growth.
I personally think it's very good because we've been doing science for 14 years before I come. It's already doing a pretty good job.
Do you consider yourself a celebrity?
Not really, just marketing, you know.
These are all your fans, man. We all came to see you.
Thank you guys very much.
If you go to the US, you mentioned you were peeing. The guy came up to you and I was like, you Tony?
Yeah. When I go to US, a lot of people know me from different places, in the airport, in the Starbucks, everywhere.
Were you taken aback?
Yeah, absolutely surprising. In China, everybody watch short videos. We have 2 million followers. It's not really a big thing in China.
The main social media that Chinese people use is Douyin, right?
Douyin, yeah.
What made you look to Instagram?
Because we start foreign trade. Our goal is to sell more signs as a foreign trade business. We're going to the assembling facility where we assemble the LEDs and the channel letters and then we put the covers on it if there is one. We're going to inspect quality. After inspect the quality, everything is okay. We're going to pack them. We're going to get these shipped downstairs.
How's your daily schedule like?
Number one, we take the video. Number two, we look back into the data of the social media performance. We also review the questions, the problems from the customers. The sales team, they will feedback, let us know what are the problems that customers are having. We put it in the video so that our customers can know about the answers so that we have higher conversion rate. This is the assembling line. We have the LED lights, the modules, LED light strap. We glue them up here. We put the face on it with the patterns and everything. It will become a sign.
How many staff do you have in this line?
Probably like 70 people. And then that's the QA side.
How many people do you have there?
Around 10 people. 3 things we need to check on a sign. Number one is make sure that the size of the sign is according to customers want it. Secondly is the material we're using. Make sure that if customer wants the 316 stainless steel, we have to make it 316 stainless steel. No bullshit, no tricks, no lies. It's cost effective.
We can't exactly show this on camera, but they have everything. You name it, hotel signs, they have images. They really do everything, man. What are your pronouns?
My pronouns are sell signs. This is our camera guy. He make all the videos of me.
Oh my god! What's his name?
It's Bo.
Is this where you take the videos?
Yeah, this is it.
What's your top 3 personalities to play?
Texas, India, British.
What's your top videos?
Hello, goodbye.
Tell me this sign.
What's the name of your channel? Anyways, take a look at this LED sign right here. It comes with 3 years of warranty. The turnaround time is 20 days. And each and every single part of it can be customized. Any color, size, shape, and form can be fully customized. We ship worldwide, no MOQ. Let me know in the comments, what kind of business do you have for awesome LED neon sign like this? Follow LCD sign.
Are you guys sold? That's awesome, man. Where did you learn English from?
From watching a lot of episodes from Netflix.
You're self-taught.
Half self-taught, half from the school.
How long did you take to master those accents?
I don't really know, but Indian accent, I've been listening to Indian accent from the movie. I really like Indian movies and the comedian show from Russell Peters.
What was your previous job?
Photographing, editing, Photoshop, everything.
What made the jump?
I started as a salesperson in LCSIGN. There's a chance for me to go live stream on Alibaba, so I took it. Turns out that I really liked it to be in front of the camera. We decided to do some videos on TikTok. 1 year after that, we started to do some accent and everything. That's the first time we got a lot of views.
Look how far you came, man.
Thank you.
What is your advice to someone looking to do social media? media?
Starting from the best, starting from the most viral video that you can do, and you start to do it. Take the videos, post every day. That's what I do. Don't
Just-
afraid of haters. Just do it.
Thank you so much for everything, man. Thank
Thank
you
you for
so much for this. Let's have you in Singapore one day.
Awesome.
Do you guys want to see Tony in Singapore? Let us know.
Follow LCSIGN.